Hello everyone, happy Thanksgiving. Welcome to my home and my little Thanksgiving table. I'm just having a few friends over and some family, and I thought maybe I would show you a couple of things that I did that were very simple but very effective, and I do love that. Uncomplicated life can be beautiful. So it's sometimes the simplest things that get the biggest wow. So I'm going to show you a couple of little things that I did, and hopefully that might help you be inspired to do the same. So let me show you. Oh, hello there. I am just putting a little flower arrangement together for Thanksgiving, and we were together picking the flowers on a little walk yesterday. If you remember, I'll attach the video of all the different things that you can forage. And I have this candle holder. I mean, if these colors don't say fall, I've never clipped these. I think it's like a sumac maybe, but I am gonna clip a couple of these because they're just so vibrant. Don't know how they'll keep until Thanksgiving, but I'll put them in some water and just see if they can stay together even for a couple of days, because I'd love to have that red added. To remind you, these are some of the things that on a... So here it is, my sweet little flower arrangement I made from all the things I gathered while I went on a little walk. I think these are sumac leaves. I've got some grasses we see everywhere, Queen Anne's lace, a few little flowers that were left still in the garden, sedum. I put it into it was like a candle holder and it fit perfectly. I had some little legs on it and some pumpkins. I added some leaves that coordinated with the leaves in the arrangement, and I think we have a very pretty little centerpiece for the Thanksgiving table. So you too can do this. Go out for a walk, gather up some pieces, find a vase, some type of little vessel to put it in, place it on your table, and you will bring joy to your family and friends and be so proud that you did this. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Have a fabulous long weekend, and see you next week.